More than 58,000 Indians die of snakebite each year. These lives could have been saved. Snakebite is both preventable and treatable. Snakes live around us, going about their business of life. They are not our enemies, but chance encounters lead to bites. If the patient does not get timely treatment, the result can be disability, even death. Most snakes in India are non-venomous, but some have venom. The northeastern states, with their amazing biodiversity, are home to several varieties of venomous snakes, including kraits, vipers, cobras, and others. Snakebite is an accident that can be prevented. It is extremely important for each of us to learn to safeguard and protect ourselves. This is what we can do. Do not allow rodents to breed in and around your homes. Where there are rats, there will be snakes. Keep your home and surroundings clutter-free. Snakes like to hide in clutter. Try to create a clear buffer zone around your house to prevent the entry of snakes from farms or ponds. Wear closed shoes when you step out, especially at night. Keep paths clear of leaves and brush. Look out for snakes before you step forward. Do not keep livestock or poultry inside or close to your house. Keep the toilets and the exterior of your house well lit and clutter-free. Check your field before starting work. Run a stick through the growth. Tap the ground. If a snake is there, it will be alerted and will move away. Always use a torch at night. Snakes are found in leaf litter, shrubs, and under the rocks. Walk on clear paths. Use a mosquito net if you sleep on the floor. Keep it well tucked from all sides. It is safer to sleep on a cot. Never ever fool around with any snake. A stressed and frightened snake is likely to bite. Hundreds of careless snake handlers get bitten every year. What are the do's and don'ts in case of a snake bite? Stay calm and do not lose time. It is true that a majority of snakes are non-venomous. It is also true that venomous snakes may give a dry bite by not injecting the venom, but do not take any chances. Snakebite is a serious medical emergency. Time is precious. Note the time of bite. Do not allow the snakebite patient to move around. Reassure and immobilize the patient and the bitten limb. Keep the bitten area still and preferably below heart level. This will slow down the blood circulation and prevent venom from spreading rapidly. Call for an ambulance immediately. The toll-free numbers are 108 and 112. If the ambulance is delayed for any reason, rush to the nearest government hospital yourself. If a four-wheeler is not available, use a motorcycle. Seat the patient in the middle and support the head. Always keep the number of the nearest doctor and ambulance handy. Remove tight objects like rings, toe rings, watch, belt, or sacred thread from the patient's body. Make the patient lie down, turned to the left side. Fold the right leg. The patient's right hand should support the head in this position. This is the safe position on way to the hospital. Tell the doctor if the patient has received anti-venom earlier. Inform the doctor of any allergies to any medicine. Never ever take the snakebite patient to a faith healer or snake charmer. Snakebite cannot be treated with any charm or spell, amulet or herb. Treatment for snakebite is available only in hospitals. Never try to remove venom by cutting, sucking, or with a syringe. Such actions are futile and dangerous. Do not tie the bitten limb tightly. This may stop blood circulation and lead to loss of limb. However, if already tied, do not release pressure before treatment starts. Do not try to kill the snake or capture it. This is a futile, dangerous exercise that will not help the patient in any way. Remember, thousands of Indians succumb to snakebite each year just because they did not receive the right help and timely treatment. Those who reported immediately to the hospital and received timely treatment survived the bite because snakebite is treatable. Do stay alert. Do stay safe.